Hello my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we are not cooking, we are not in the garden, we are not sewing, but we are talking about health. So I'm not feeling well, but I can smile. Last night I had a terrible asthma attack. It's like an asthma attack, but the doctor said I don't have asthma, but it feels like an asthma attack. For the past week, it has been windy here in Mozambique, and also I had done a thorough cleaning in my house, and when night came, I was so sick. I couldn't breathe very well. I was sneezing, I was coughing, my eyes were itchy. So this was provoked by the dust, I think. So what I do when I clean, I take my towel and I wet it. Then I put it like this to cover my nose, my mouth, and my ears, like this. Like so. Then I tie with a head wrap so that it's in place. But even if I do that, the dust still gets to my chest. And I don't know how this dust gets into my chest. I don't know, maybe it gets through the skin or through the eyes. I don't know. If anyone knows, please tell me, because I'm just confused. So I tried even using the inhaler and it didn't work. And I have this cough syrup. I'm not going to show you the name because I'm not advertising, but I can show you that it has got a sign of lungs here. It cleans, it helps remove mucus from the lungs. But when I use this, it is very good. It suppresses the cough and it helps me to breathe very well. But it has some side effects, or it's me who just have this side effect. When I use this, I will have a terrible headache. I will have stomach pains. So normally I want to use those things that treats the root cause of the problem. That's what I want to treat. So what I do, is I keep these. They are Swiss, they are mint, they are very, 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 very strong. So I keep these everywhere. I can put some in my bags, in my pockets, over the counter, on the table, anywhere where I can access them easily, so that if I need them, I can have them easily. So I just take one and I will pop into my mouth and I suck slowly, and they help me to open my nostrils and to soothe my chest. And the other thing that I do is I massage my back and my chest with castor oil. This is 100% castor oil. There is no other oil, it's only castor bean oil. So if you want to know how I make castor oil or how I grow castor oil, I have some videos on my channel that show everything. So I put a lot of castor oil, like plenty of castor oil, like 4 pumps, 4 pumps. Then I massage my back with this castor oil. Then I apply it using a hot water bottle. It helps very well. Castor oil is so helpful. Castor oil is so good. It penetrates deep down into the skin, and it takes care of the affected area. And when you use it with heat, it helps to break down the mucus so that you will not cough very hard You just cough lightly and everything will come out nicely. After I have these attacks, I will have a terrible headache. I will have chest pains. This whole part, the ribs will be so painful. And when that happens, I use my turmeric. This is the turmeric that I grow. I can use this powdered turmeric, or I can go into the garden and take fresh turmeric, then I'll crush and boil. I'll mix with ginger, and it will help me a lot. And about turmeric is so powerful. Turmeric fights inflammation, it heals wounds, it has got a lot of benefits. It boosts the immune system. So what I do is I will take a cup, then I will take this much of turmeric and I put into the cup. Then I add hot water. This is what I will have. I will take this 2 times a day, in the morning and in the evening. And this has been working for me so well. I don't take it one time. I will just have some sips, maybe over 30 minutes. I will sip and then I will feel it going down my throat. And I don't rush it. I just do it slowly. Maybe I'll finish this in 30 minutes. I'll take a sip and wait for some minutes. Take another one until I finish. Then when I finish, I will wait for 30 minutes before I eat anything or before I drink some water. So after 30 minutes, I will drink a lot of water so that it helps to wash down everything. Is it normal that you can cover your nose and your mouth and your ears, but still you are affected by dust? It's so funny. It's so funny because it only happens here in Mozambique. When I'm home, when I'm in Zimbabwe, even if I'm in the middle of Champupuri, I'm not even affected by the dust. So I don't know what it means. You can tell me, guys. You can tell me in the comment section, what can that mean? My eyes are so itchy, and this is not the color of my eyes. They are so itchy. And what helps me after these attacks is that I take an aloe vera, fresh aloe vera leaf. I have aloe vera outside. I'll take a fresh aloe vera leaf. I put it in water for 20 minutes so that that red liquid, the aloe, the poisonous liquid, will come out. Then I take the gel and clean my eyes using that gel. It's not itchy when you put it in the eyes. It's so helpful. It's anti-inflammatory, it's antibacterial, and it heals sore eyes. So if there's someone who has some allergies like me, you can share what you do so that maybe you can help me as well, and we can help others who may be suffering from the same problem. But I encourage you, try these things, like try using castor oil, try using turmeric and ginger, and drink a lot of water. And yeah, that's all I have for you today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please share it with someone who may be needing it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.